Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I've been getting packages in the mail for a while now. Some of the things that I ordered and some of the things that were kind of a surprise. This is one of the surprises. I got a plastic box. It's what's inside of it that's important. On the front of the box, it says Aspire. And inside, it had this cool little mechanical pencil. It's just the right diameter for my hand, and it's not those long skinny ones. The Pentels that I used for years, they work, but the lead breaks all the time. This one's got a lead that you can actually use for something. You press on the button back here, and that releases the collet and lets you slide the lead out. When I slide the lead out, I can replace it with any one of these other three leads that are three different colors: black, red, and blue. Be really nice for doing layouts. Slide the lead back in, and you can put the tip of the lead back inside the pencil so it's safe, it doesn't get damaged. But if you do manage to damage it, all you have to do is extend the lead about an inch, unscrew the little button, slip it over the lead, and it sharpens it. So this is a really cool item. I think the best part of it was handmade by David just exactly for me. Thank you very much, David. I greatly appreciate it. It's a wonderful gift. Now when I'm sitting here thinking of what I'm going to do next, I can write it down with my new pencil. Let's see. I've already got the grinder finished. I need to finish the seat on the grinder. I also have to do the file sharpening project. And then I need to do something else. Yeah, it's time for another shop tour. So that'll be tomorrow's. We'll put some snippets of other things in and around it, but we're going to work in the shop tour. It's been a while since we've done anything like that. If you have a suggestion for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. And thanks again, David. I'm going to use this a lot. I don't think I'm going to wear out the pencil lead for a few years, but I'm going to use it a lot. Time to go check on the acid baths. Oh, we just started the bath. It's now 3 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon, June 5th. We're going to take the vinegar out in 2 days. We're going to check the sulfuric acid every few hours. Not going to leave it overnight. I don't want to come out here and find the things down to toothpicks. So they'll just sit here and cook. We'll come back and visit.